To create buildings with a flat roof, simply click on the icon relating to industrial buildings. At this point, we are asked for the parameters of the building, the height of the building, and the height of any parapet. By clicking on Create Building, we can see that the software immediately creates the 3D construction, maintaining the parameters we entered. Now, we have several tools available. We have the possibility to set the transparency of the roof, a fundamental command in order to check if there are obstacles of any kind that could constitute shading. We then have the option of aligning the view on one face of the building by simply clicking on the third icon, and then on the face of our interest. By then selecting the second icon, we have the possibility to return to modify the building parameters. It will be sufficient to modify the measurements, and click again on Create Building. The construction will be immediately updated. Finally, we always have the possibility to go back to viewing the starting sketch, simply by clicking on the first icon. Other important options that we have available concern the possibility of changing the type of coverage. By clicking on Roof Type, we can select the type of material we want and assign it to the roof. Finally, by clicking on the wall material icon, we have the possibility to change the materials of the wall.